Guys, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique?
Siomay.
What about you?
Batchoy.
Okay na.
Kikiam.
Kikiam. Okay, thank you.
The best.
Meg, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique? Mais. Okay, thank you. Guys, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique?
Siomay. Pang fishball. Speedball. Lumpia.
What about fast food?
Fast food. Wala man di fast food. Wala di fast food.
Mga arada sisig.
Is fast food something like street food too, right? Fast food like burger, Jollibee.
Jollibee, may Jollibee. Sa Pasig, Jollibee. Sa Pasig, may sa Pasig.
Jollibee.
Okay, thank you. So, bro, what's your favorite street food here in here in San Enrique? Burger. Thank you. So we have here some fast food chains here, guys. Franks and Burgers and Dim Sum Panda. We have here the 7-Eleven here in San Enrique. Bro, what is your favorite street food there in San Enrique?
My favorite street food is Quick.
What about you, bro?
I like siomay.
Siomay. And you, bro?
French fries.
So these guys are hanging up here in front of 7-Eleven. So thank you, guys. So we have here some chickens. So guys, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. What about you guys?
Siomay.
What is your message to your jowas?
Hi, dali do di madata.
Okay, thank you. So guys, I am now consuming a piece of chicken right now. Bro, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique?
Quack.
Quack. So, are you going to play basketball?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, what is your favorite street food or fast food here in San Enrique? Burger. Tapos, so you don't have classes today? Your free time? You just came to school just to hang out here. Okay, so maybe your parents gave you allowance, right? Your parents believe you're still going to school, but you're hang out. Okay, thank you. So they are preparing here a store for street foods or fast foods here, guys. Bro, what is your favorite street foods here in San Enrique?
Bonbon.
Fishball
Kikwet.
and kwek. What about you, bro?
Corn dog.
What?
Corn dog.
So you don't have classes today?
No.
Okay, thank you. Bro, what is your favorite street food there in San Enrique?
Quick.
Kwek. Are you going to play basketball?
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Bot. Yang kamu lihat petari besok.
Sis, what is your favorite street food here in San Enrique?
Probably kwek.
Okay, what about fast foods?
Ay man git.
No, you don't like burger?
Medyo lang, kamay lang.
Okay, thank you. Siomay.
Magulang ko to. Balik ka lang oh. Mga 10 minutes mula na tapos na. Magulang kami no.
So I just saw some pictures along the road. Seems like pictures of students that they maybe they left this on the road. So bro, what is your favorite street food there in San Enrique?
Chicken lang.
What? Siya ako ikaw no.
Ay, ako lang.
What's your favorite kikiam?
Kikiam.
Okay, thank you. So that was our vlog for today, guys. About the best street foods here in the town of San Enrique. In one of the provinces of Iloilo. And hope you enjoy this vlog, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on our next vlog, guys.